an organization, data is recognized as the most vital asset of enterprise. It is rightly said that companies who do not understand the importance of data management are less likely to survive in the modern economy. If data is irrelevant, complete, accurate, timely, consistent, meaningful, and usable, then it will surely help in the growth of the organization. If not, it can prove to be useless and even harmful asset.
So our project is about predicting where the first destination of the new user using services like Airbnb is going to be. So why would any company like Airbnb would want to predict where the new user is going to go? See, these companies believe in personalizing the user travel and also the stay. So if they are able to predict that X number of users from USA are going to go to Goa for the summer vacation, then they can collaborate with the airlines so that these guys get discounted fares for the travel, and also they can improve the services at Goa with the accommodation. So in this way, they can see that the customer satisfaction is good. So to accomplish this task of predicting the destination, we trained a machine learning model with artificial neural networks, which has internal activation functions like rectified linear units and also the softmax regression to classify the output. And then we also use the Adam optimization algorithm to facilitate this learning of the neural networks. Now all the fancy words aside, how a neural network exactly learns is that it looks at the previous user data and checks what parameters exactly led to the output in that case. These neural networks use a technique of backpropagation, so whenever these go through the user data once, they get good at predicting the final output. So for training the model, we got the data from internet, and then we took care of a lot of parameters so that the efficiency of system is good, and then we came up with the final product.
Now, let's talk about the user interface of the program. The program has been specifically made for people who are actually working in traveling agencies, for example, Airbnb. The user interface has been kept very minimal as well as brief in order to avoid any form of confusion in the analysis of data, which is of the primary importance to the employee. Our program opens up with a login window in which the employee has to enter his employee ID as well as his password. The program then verifies the employee and checks if the ID and password matches with that which is already present in the database. If the data is valid, then the main window pops up. In this main window, all the variables that have to be entered are actually given in a tabular format so as to increase the efficiency of the program and also to make it easier for the employee to enter the details.
The fundamental challenges faced by data scientists has nothing to do with the algorithms, optimization methods, or computing power. Communication prior to any analysis or data engineering is very crucial in solving machine learning problem very quickly and painlessly. We individually learned machine learning, which includes gathering and preparing data, training and evaluating after choosing a model. At the beginning, we were unclear of the number of layers in the neural net, so we used Adam's optimization algorithm. Before choosing the neural net architecture, we tried many such architectures with different combinations of hidden units and layers. We mainly chose the Adam's optimization algorithm because it overcomes the irregularities and smoothens the learning process. We also faced many other problems such as integrating the front-end GUI interface to the back-end coding. Overall, the journey was really great.